How to delete specific website from history Safari. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings option, and let's just go back here for a little bit, and here you'll see this to your settings. Now what you want to do next is to look for Safari. So you just have to scroll down up until you see Safari here. It's actually under FaceTime and above stocks. Tap on Safari here and you'll see a lot of options. Now, if you want to clear all the data, just tap on the clear history and website data. But since we want to delete specific website from history on Safari, then scroll all the way down up until you see advanced and tap on that. Now, on the upper part, you will see the website data. Tap on that again. And here you will see all the websites that you have actually visited using Safaris. And you can see, tap on show all here. Now, all you have to do is to choose the specific website that you want to delete. So let's say you want to delete this Gcash here. Then what you want to do is to just swipe right to left and tap on delete. Right to left and tap on delete. And as you can see here, it's now deleted from the list. And basically that's how you delete specific website from Mystery Safari. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.